I've seen so many creators on this platform lately saying they're not getting any views, and I completely emphasize, even the biggest accounts, trust me, are not getting the views like they used to be. I just want to say to you right now, it's not necessarily your content, which other gurus are implying it is. You got to use the SEO, you got to do an update. No, wait, matter. Those are just icing on the cake once you get the foundations right in your content. Now, I've been in marketing for about 13 years, right? And I used Facebook back in the day, in 2010 it was, and I used to use it for my fitness business. And I had a business fan page on Facebook. I used this for my marketing, and I had really good organic reach, and a lot of my posts went viral and got shared to hundreds of thousands of people. So then what happened is, as Facebook started to become more popular and people were using all their fan pages to get all this, free organic traffic to help them with their businesses grow on the platform, Facebook were like, hang on, I'm not happy about this. So Facebook decided to limit the reach on the fan pages, so only 1 to 10% of your audience on your fan pages could actually see your content. The reason why this happened is because Facebook wanted you to start paying for your views to boost your posts so more people could see your content and Facebook make some money out of it. This is one of the reasons why people can't stand Facebook now, because it's just oversaturated with adverts and promoted posts, and you can't even see the content of the people you want to see. Now, the exact same thing, I think, or I know, has happened on TikTok. TikTok glory days, 2018. Before that, even I joined on 2019. You could post anything, it would literally go viral, literally get loads of views. And then we had the pandemic, and TikTok just became really popular. Everybody using it, everybody seeing its potential, the value, the entertainment. Everybody's on this app. Anybody can be TikTok famous. Everybody can get viral, and it's free. TikTok knew this. So now what's happening? TikTok is doing exactly the same as Facebook for their business model. They are suppressing your views on purpose, right? Because they want you to pay for the boost feature, because it is a business after all. I've also noticed since the Congress thing and the court case, everything has changed really dramatically. But I do also remember Gary Vee mentioning about this. It's going to happen. He did say organic reach is going to drop, and if you want to step up and be in the game this year and even next year, you're going to have to post more often, which makes sense, because if you're posting more volume, you've got more chance of people seeing your content. For example, if you posted 3 times a day, right, 300 views each, that's 900 views just to get 900 views, whereas before you could do one post ever so often, thousands of views. You could make the best content in the world also, but TikTok can control what content gets shown to people. It's even in their terms and conditions. All right, TikTok chooses what content is going to do well, what goes viral. I also believe there are creators on this platform who do benefit when they post, like they have some good account score, no violations on the account whatsoever, and the posts always do well. They're trusted accounts of TikTok, and TikTok know that. This is why you're seeing some of your favorite creators, the bigger ones, they're never getting new views, but the majority of us are. Now, it's not too late to grow on this platform, you still can, but it's not going to be the same as 2019, 2020, those days are over. And there are other social media platforms out there right now, newish platforms, that are getting incredible organic reach, just like TikTok did when it first came out. If you're feeling frustrated, I totally relate with you, totally feel with you, but if you want to succeed on this platform, you still gotta show up. And I just recommend you just to keep posting and just add more stuff to your stories as well. And remember, with growth, it's all about the long game, long-term growth. In order to grow, you've got to sustain, so you got to show up. And just remember, little by little, little equals to a lot. Do little videos, low views, they all add up eventually, and then one day, one time, one of your videos may blow up, and then you just get a massive compound effect on your account. Like I said, remember, this is just normal for every social media platform. It happens on every single one. What are your views like on the moment on this platform? Let me know in the comments.